Hi, I'm Archie from AJX Perfect Fuel Products. Hi, I'm Archie from AJX Perfect Fuel Products, and I'm here today on a construction site to show you how important it is to keep your tanks perfectly clean, to keep your equipment running in great condition. One of the problems with the bacteria growing in the tank is that it clogs the filters and you lose downtime. Not only do you lose downtime, it could be really costly to get it repaired. If you look at this piece of equipment behind me, to get to the tank on this is a major job. It could cost thousands and thousands of dollars to remove the engine to get to the tank to try and clean the tank. So when you're running different pieces of equipment like this, you can't afford to have a breakdown. So use the AJX-TCS tank cleaning system once or twice a year to clean the tanks and keep them clean on all your equipment.